In this video, I'm showing you the sample company that they allow you to use throughout the textbook using those drill assignments. I'm looking on page 19 of your textbook, and if you read, you should see a word that says drill. It's in all caps, it's green. And then you see a target that's shaded in yellow. That lets you know that that is a drill, that's a practice. That's a drill assignment. Those are not required. I would just read over those. Okay, it has you open up this sample company by entering in that URL. Um, it was, here I can type it in, but it's in the textbook, HTTPS, what was it? QBO, here it is, .intuit.com/re, it's REDIR for redirect /test drive. And you get this Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. Anybody could access this. This is not, this is like a web page. So that's what they're talking about there. It's a sample company, Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. So I would just read over that, okay? What you're required to do in your, to get a grade, you are, let me go to QuickBooks and log in. Okay, this is my sample company. This is my student Beach Barker account. Okay, so this is the account that you're going to do all your assignments in, and those are labeled due assignments. So when you see, let me find one in the textbook. A lot of chapter 1, they're all drill. So again, read over those. You don't have to do anything with the drill assignments in your company. Read over them and that's it. Okay, the first due assignment is not until the very end. Which is on page 41, and it's not even labeled as a due assignment, but that's what I want you to do at the end of chapter 1, is to invite me, your accountant, to view your company file. And I've already put out a video for that. But again, you're going to register for QuickBooks. You're going to enter all that information in the way that they want you to in the textbook. Follow those instructions. Okay, it should be your name, Beach Barkers. So I just put student Beach Barkers because this is my sample company. But if you look on page 49, you see a due. It's labeled as DO and the target is red. So that's how you can tell the difference between a drill assignment and the due assignments. Drills are not required. Just read over those. Okay, I don't want you to click in your actual file in reading the drill assignments because they're going to be different numbers. All right, so just read over the drills, but you're going to, use your company file, your Beach Barker company file, to actually do what is required in those due assignments. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have questions, and I'll make another video. I'm going to keep them rolling. I'm going to make a video on chapter 2 by the end of the week, so that way we can get ready for next week when we start chapter 2. All right, thanks.